Hello guys! Ano ba ang mga in-expect nating pagbabago sa opening ng mga public schools sa DepEd ngayong August 24? BantaYeah!
BantaYeah!
Okay, so dahil nga sa banta ng COVID-19, madaming mga nagsasabi na i-delay na lang daw yung klase until next year. Pero according naman sa government, sa IATF, na hindi naman sigurado na mawawala na talaga yung banta ng COVID-19 by next year. So the education must continue, sabi ng DepEd. So nag-prepare ako ng audio slideshows para mas maintindihan natin yung mga expected na pagbabago sa tinatawag nating new normal in education. So ito, tingnan natin. BantaYeah!
Number 1. Most Essential Learning Competencies or MELCs. The department will simplify the curriculum to its most essential lessons. The number of competencies per quarter will be lessened and only very important competencies will be prioritized. Number 2. Less students in a classroom. There will be reduction of class size and will cater to only 15 to 20 students in a class. This is in adherence to social distancing protocols. Number 3. Students will not be reporting to school every day. Coming to school will be on schedule as pointed out in the learning continuity plan and still, strictly observing physical distancing. Number 4. Learning delivery modes will depend on the choice context and local situation. Various modalities would include online, modular, face-to-face, radio-based instruction or RBI, online modular that is blended, modular F2F or face-to-face that is blended, modular RBI or radio-based instruction that is blended, and online modular F2F RBI that is blended. Online learning would require gadgets such as laptops, cell phones, computers, etc., and other equipment, and most importantly, internet connectivity. This will not be possible if resources are not available. Parents, guardians have crucial role in supervising their kids at home. Blended learning allows a combination of face-to-face, online, and modular learning delivery. Face-to-face learning is the traditional learning environment where students and teachers are both physically present in the classroom. This is the new normal in DepEd. This will be one of the most challenging years in the department.
Okay, so I hope na yung video na ito ay nakatulong, lalong-lalo na sa mga guro, and then gano'n na rin sa mga parents na magiging katuwang natin sa continuity of learning ng ating mga learners. Okay? So yun lang, be positive lang. The DepEd needs our help. Guided by our Heavenly Father above, at sa galing ng mankind, magkakaroon tayo ng vaccine. And in 2 to 3 years time, hopefully, babalik na tayo sa dati nating mga nakagawian. So, hanggang sa susunod ulit na episode ng BantaYeah!
BantaYeah!